To install the Crossbar rail kit on your Polaris XPEDITION, follow these steps. Start by parking the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. To install the Crossbar rail kit, begin by installing screws and T-nuts into the rail mount. Do not torque at this time. Next, loosely assemble the mount to the crossbar rail. Do not tighten screws at this time. Now, install the Lock and Ride Max latching assembly. Check the spring alignment and orientation when installing the latching assembly. Repeat on the other side. Then torque the latching assembly screws to specification. Next, install the crossbar to the rail through the portholes. If needed, adjust mounts to match the distance from rail to rail. When the mounts are positioned properly, lock the latching assembly in place by closing the levers. Make sure the latching assembly is fully clear of the port openings in the rail prior to locking in place. Now torque screws to specification. The Lock and Ride Max latching assemblies can be reversed to create different crossbar rail configurations. Retorque the latching assembly screws to specification after the initial 100 miles of use. Then retorque the screws at 500-mile intervals after the initial retorque. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.